Microsoft Word. It's a popular word processing program used primarily for creating documents such as letters, brochures, you name it. This software allows users to create and edit text documents. You can start with blank documents or work from pre-configured templates for projects with frequently used formats. In this Word series, we're going to show you many simple but useful features available in Microsoft Word to make it easier for you to study in Word. With a variety of menus, such as the Insert button, to insert tables, pictures, shapes, and much more. The Design and Layout menus to design your own document formatting. We're going to go through a few practical shortcuts. We'll also show you how to open, create, or edit a PDF document in Word. And of course, we're going to talk about some common problems in Word 2016. If you're looking forward to this Word series, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you around!